85 days ago, we saw posts about an Amber Alert for a 5-year-old little girl, with blonde hair and blue eyes that went missing from Tennessee. We have come to know the name Summer Wells quite well now, and her smile stole our hearts. She is everyone's daughter. It saddens me to say that there is still no sign of Summer, and I am not sure if we will ever know what really happened to her. Her missing aunt, Rose, disappeared without a trace, which is a real concern to me too. I sometimes feel like criminals are just getting smarter. A lot of disturbing things have come to light since Summer's disappearance. Candus, Dawn and Grandma's past has been dug up. We heard countless times that Summer was last seen with Grandma and Candus. We will probably never know if that is the truth or not, but Candus's record is not good. She had 2 kids removed from her in the past, one of which has brain injuries. Dawn has a record of his own, in which his last arrest for domestic violence was just months ago. That gives us an idea of what a toxic environment the Wells kids lived in. It was said that CPS was called numerous times, but Dawn and Candus avoided them. That is a pattern of Dawn's according to his family members. He did the same with his older kids. We recently heard that Dawn's sister filed charges against Dawn too. The charges are related to the events that took place when she was just 5 years old. It is highly concerning to me that Summer was 5 years old when she went missing. Is that just a coincidence? On top of this, Dawn's eldest son is a registered sex offender. It is alleged that he was in a relationship with a young girl, and charged because of the girl's age. Grandma Candy's brother is a sexually dangerous predator too. There are many allegations of drug use, alcohol abuse, and we are not sure what else took place in Ben Hill Road. Summer's room looked very much like a dungeon to me, which seems to be under a bar or counter. Now, I ask, was Ben Hill Road ever a safe place for the kids to live?